this video is just like a polite request of anyone who's watching. Please do not post such things at any time, at any given point. That saying that hey, my DMs are open. I feel that it just. I understand that you want to amplify it, but as a person who sees that, I just feel very weirded out. I feel like I'm being singled out. Hey guys, today I'm going to make an important video. So, this is with regards to the things which are happening currently and people who are posting such things as, comment in my chat box or, slide into my DMs or this is my number, you can call me up if you need any help. Now, this is with regards to all of these things. At first, right before hitting the record button, I had like so many things which I wanted to say. But then I realized that, hey, let me take a step back and let me be super organic and let me be just be who I am. And as a person who faces seasonal anxiety, I just want to say that I don't want to see posts like, DM me or, call me. I don't want to see that. Maybe this is just one person's opinion, but I don't want to see these things. As a person, I just want to see people acknowledging the fact that, this thing exists and this is how you can make it better. But you do not go on plastering. It just comes off so wrong. And correct me if I'm wrong, people who have all of these problems. I don't know if you have the strength to actually acknowledge what I'm saying or actually say that, hey, I could be wrong. I just want someone to say that, hey, if I'm wrong or am I right? But more importantly, I see these things and I just want you guys to know that, hey, no one becomes an expert overnight. I have made those calls and people can solve it in those 15-20 minutes as your friend, family member, whoever it is. But they can never go to the root cause within those 15 minutes. This illness or whatever, to be honest, I don't even know what to call it because it's so much. There's so many words which are thrown out. I just want to call it as it is. These incapabilities are so deep rooted that this is a consequence and not an act of its own. It is a series of events which have been happening recurringly, and this is what someone ends up doing. And you cannot. It's for example, it's like this for those of you who probably need like a clearer perspective. When you start eating a lot of sugar, you're not fat at first, but one morning, in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 1 month, whenever you start seeing that extra pound, you don't know when did you gain that. It's the same way with these mental traumatic or mental problems or these mental well-being issues. I just want to put it so delicately because I myself, I do not know which way to term it as. But having said that, I want whoever is reaching you, if you are reaching out, by saying these things, whoever is reaching out to you, I just want you to listen. I don't want you to give the person solution. I don't want you to. Probably the best you can do is probably tell the person to drink lots of water for now, as an ending solution, and get some good sleep. But again, I could be wrong. It could be very different from person to person, case to case. But you do not have the bandwidth to deal with people's problems. You do not. And you don't want to end up saying right things which you feel are right and wrong things which could be actually wrong but you think are right. I don't know. But you don't want to do anything which may hurt someone's sentiments further and may cause deeper problems. So this video is just like a polite request of anyone who's watching. Please do not post such things at any time, at any given point. That saying that hey, my DMs are open. I feel that it just. I understand that you want to amplify it, but as a person who sees that, I just feel very weirded out. I feel like I'm being singled out. Like, oh, finally I caught you. Oh, I feel that. Like, hey, finally they are going to know. So, just be there. Just be like, I'm here. That's it. Just don't say that. You get what I mean. Having said that, I just want to end it with this just one note, that doing the right things can also lead, you know, to such traumatic behaviors or traumatic experiences. There's no singling out of event. It can be very deep rooted, it can be very old, and it can resurface in different ways. And I just want people to be, you know, not sympathetic, just empathetic to that, and just refer them to a counselor or someone if they are not able to deal with it themselves. Thanks.